Dear colleagues, mina bengithi singathengisi izwe lethu ngamalodu. Labantu abakhalayo namhlanje are the very same people ebayenzele mboni yeteksi or the taxi industry ukuthi ibe la ikhona namhlanje. From le muva le the 70s abantu bebagibela itaxi ama-South Africans ama-foreigner bekangekho. Ama-foreigner afika recently. It's the South Africans that pushed this industry to be where it is today, to become the multi-million rand industry that it is today. It's because of South Africans. So if there's a serious concern in this country, why are we not listening? Why are we not helping? Because we are who we are today. Ngenxa yabantu base South Africa. Why must we do this to the people? Why must we bite the hand that feeds us as the taxi industry? Uma umuntu drive itaxi ubona ukuthi ulayisha ama-foreigner every day emsebenzini, what is that telling you? It means those foreigners have displaced South Africans emsebenzini. Isn't that a concern? Being illegal in a foreign country is a crime. So if thina sifuna ukufosta ukuthi abantu laba bahlale bangahambi, asidifari nabantu abathengisa ama-drugs because we want to transport criminals. We are not the only ones that are taking a blow. There are people that were renting out their properties to these people, these foreigners. Abayoluza lama foreigner makahamba. There are construction companies, restaurants that were employing these foreigners. Are they not going to lose labantu laba mabahamba? Sicomplaina ngokuthi ama-opportunities avalekile because labantu laba bayawavala. Sicomplaina ngokuthi umsebenzi awusekho because labantu laba bathatha umsebenzi. And all these other criminal activities that they are doing. And the sad part ukuthi kulama criminal activities that they are doing, there are kids involved. Let us not compromise the safety of our kids because of amaload. Mina kungcono because I'm also in the industry, but lento leyo ukuthi bathi March and March has to stop because it is step umsebenzi angihambiselani nayo. If we have to take a blow as South Africa in order to fix our country, then let it be. This is a reset. We have to reset this country. And obviously, izinto angeke zibe lula. It's going to be difficult, not just for the taxi industry, but for all of us. So dear colleagues, kokugcina ngicela sisebenziseni ingqondo, siyekeleni ukuthengisa izwe lwethu for ama-ex.
Ngiyakubingelela Mbukeni, njengoba sewumzwile ubhodi ukuthi naye hhayi ukhona kule industry yamatekisi, uthi cha le ndaba yosomatekisi ayikime kancane. I-industry yamatekisi yethu usuyayibona abantu bale South Africa njengoba bewagibela even ngama-70s kuze ifike la. Ama-foreigners abantu abafike nje manje. Uthi abantu abafike la eSouth Africa kongekho emthethweni ubugebengu lowo. Uthi nawe uma u-taxi driver ugibeza umuntu o-illegal la kugcwele wona le taxini, awuhlukanga nawe ukuthi wenze ubugebengu, awuhlukanga nomuntu ukuthi wena uthengisa idakamizwa. Akusibona kuphela amateksi akhahlamezekile, nabakwi-construction bakhahlamezekile, abarentisa ngezindlu nabakhahlamezekile. Uthi i-country manje ikwi-reset. Uma uvele kuzoba khona ukuphazamiseka kwezinto there and there. So osomatekisi cha, they must hang on there njengoba naye khona kwi-industry. Akungamelwe kuthengisa ilizwe ngendaba yamalodi. Mbukeli, uthini umbono wakhe ngodaba labhodi lolu? Siphinde sibone evidiyo elandelayo. Ube nosuku oluhle.